Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For any young business or any established company, e-commerce stores can really help in boosting their sales in comparison to the traditional way of offline shops. If we say all this happens overnight, especially when a business owner doesn't have much technical and digital know-how, but you don't need to worry. In today's video we are going to take you through the process, like how you can build your new e-commerce store for a clothing business and how you can reach out to wider audience through the e-commerce store. Let me quickly take you through the 3 to 4 big advantages of selling clothes online versus selling the clothes offline. Number 1, starting a business offline takes lot of time and efforts, where first you need to find a good location, set up infrastructure, and a lot more that we need to take care of when we are building a business offline. However, when we are building an e-commerce store, then we just need to purchase a domain and then a simple web hosting, and we can start selling our clothes online. And number 2, overhead cost is very low and very convenient in the online e-commerce stores in comparison to selling the clothes offline through any shop or any small business. When we plan to sell offline, then we need to pay rent for the place, then for the interior decoration we need to pay extra, then for the lighting, and then we also need to deploy some full-time staff and we have to pay their salaries as well. However, in the e-commerce store, we just need to purchase a hosting plan and then we can start selling our clothes or any kind of stuff we want to sell on online. Third advantage is convenient customer experience. In the online stores, we don't need a fixed time slot. A customer can come in the even in the night, even if they want to purchase a cloth or anything in the night, they can simply visit your online store and they can make a purchase, complete their order. However, in the offline shops, there are some fixed time slots and the fixed working days, Monday to Friday or something like that, so they can't purchase if they want to make any order in the night or something. So that's where the e-commerce stores are really helpful. Fourth advantage of selling the clothes online through the e-commerce store is there are multiple payment options. Person can pay through PayPal, GPay, Apple Pay, or any different payment gateway they want. However, in the offline shops, we don't have much access to these kind of payment options. Fifth advantage of selling the clothes online or set up an e-commerce store is that if you want to manage the order, inventory, or anything, you can easily maintain that. And even if you want to download the history of the orders or the data of your customers, you can easily do that through the help of downloading the data into CSV or any Excel file. And you can also link it with some online POS system if you want. So there are a couple of more advantages which we can cover in the next videos as well. We have discussed the advantages in the previous part of this video. Now we are moving ahead and discuss the process of building an e-commerce store. So here are some few things which we need to take care of while building an e-commerce store. So number 1 is the domain name. So we have to find a good domain name which can create a good trust with the end customers and our new potential customers. So we have to find a good domain name. And the second thing is we have to purchase a good web hosting plan, or so for that there are many web hosting companies which are available online. For example, GoDaddy, SiteGround, Hostinger, and many other. And after this we have to go ahead and then select a hosting plan as per our requirements and also the budget of the company or the clothing business. Further, now every business for building an e-commerce website requires a logo design. So if you are already selling offline, so you must have a logo, or even if you don't have a logo, then please feel free and please get in touch with us and we can create a very good logo, amazing logo for you and for your business as well. Now as we are done with the logo, now our next step is to set up the structure of the website. And And when we like talk about the structure of the website, then the navigation bar is something which comes on the very first on our list. So navigation bar must have the menu options like about, contact, and the main categories which we are selling through our e-commerce store, and also the wish list icon, then the cart icon. So all these things are very important for any like the for the structure of any website. To prepare the structure of the website, like there are two options and the two ways which we can follow. First one is the like we can create a design from scratch, for which we are using tools like Figma, then Photoshop. So these kind of tools we are using to like build the structure of the website, or we can say web page. And the second option is like to save some money, like we have couple of options, like there are many templates available online. So for example, like there are page builders like Elementor page builder, then DV page builder. So all these kind of page builders have their own templates. Some of them are free and some are paid templates, so you can select any of those like templates, and then we can simply implement those templates into our web hosting. So if we talk about the different platforms, then there are many platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, and then Squarespace. So you can like select any option as per your requirements and the complexity of your project, and then we can start like implementing a template into any of these CMS. Like once our template is set up, then we can start like building our pages, like product listing page, then single product page, and then cart page and the checkout page, because all these are the very important pages for any e-commerce website, especially for a clothing business. So if we talk about the product listing page, like the filters are the most important options there. So we have to implement the good options, like then the color filter, then size, material, or any other important filter you want to highlight on the product listing page. You can just let us know and we can implement that variation or like that attribute for you in the filter side of the product listing page. And now next, if we talk about the single product page, then on the single product page we need to highlight the quantity option. Then the images must be high quality, high resolution, so that if customer is coming on your website, they can clearly see the product images, and they can get a good idea like how their product will look like how the clothing product they want to buy, how it will look like in original. And then the add to cart button, then some recommended product section on the product page. All these things are really important for a e-commerce business. And next, if we talk about the cart and the checkout page, the payment option must be there properly set up. Shipping things must be there, the shipping methods of the shipping companies and shipping rates, all these things we can configure on the checkout page for you. So once the website is done, then we have to work on promoting the website through different digital marketing activities like SEO, SMO, then paid ads like Google ads, Facebook ads, or Insta ads, so that once the website is done, we can drive traffic, and then we can promote your website as well, so that the increase in the boost of the sales must be there using all these activities. So if you have any questions or any queries what will be the cost of building this type of e-commerce stores, or how much time it can take, or which platform is good, I have already created some videos for that, and you can check those videos on our YouTube channel. And still, if you have any queries, then feel free to reach out to us through our WhatsApp contact, or you can even set up a Zoom meeting through the email address given on our website. Thank you. If you like the content which I have shared in this video, then please do like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you once again.